and I believe in the course of time we'll have full information.
Director Monene ase wizara yobochenu Dr. Patrick Amoth nigaenekeria abakenya buna serikali nigegenderete kubeka mirubiri saine yokurwania oburoire bwa Ebola obubogenderete koenekiwa ime yense ya Uganda nigaya kwana chingaki bakorege corona babwatani ibande kurwase sector yobochenu eriyo kwanira igoro yokurwania oburoire obo.
Surveillance efforts are in top gear and everyone, if nothing is being left to chance. We were preparing also to make sure that everyone who is going to respond to the pandemic has the right tools at the right time so that we also don't lose healthcare workers.
This time the outbreak is closer to us in Uganda, in central Uganda, in a district called Mubende. And therefore, owing to these risks, we are implementing effective measures to ensure that we stop, one, the importation of the outbreak into Kenya, and two, if it does happen, then we put into place control measures.